Moving on to the landing page, let me remove the column from here, and inside the text form, choose width. Give it a value of 350, and then for the heading, we can give it a text of first name in quotes. When it comes to the hint text, we can write, please type your first name in quotes as well. Don't forget about giving it a comma. Let's run it and see what we have got. Wow, it really looks perfect. Now it's time to place all of the text form fields in order. So I am gonna continue by creating a sized box here with a height of 15. And then I am going to call the text form widget. The heading is going to be the email. Some of you might think, why don't you put the last name form here? The response is simple. It's because I want the last name form to be in the horizontal line next to the first name rather than below the first name form. You'll be able to understand it better once we're finished naming the forms. Moving forward, it will also contain a width of 350 and a hint text of please enter your email address. Let's run it and see how far we have gone. And here it is. Now, inside the row, we are going to give the rest of the forms on the right. So, let's give it a comma here and add another column. It's going to have children inside, which we can call the text form again. Give it a heading of last name, then a width of 350, and a hint text of please type your last name. The phrase should be in quotation marks, and of course, let's not forget about a comma at the end. Now, let's go ahead and create a sized box with the height of 15. Obviously, we have to call the text form again. Okay, one thing I want to mention is that we can also rearrange the parameters any way we want. It was not possible when we were exploring the previous method of calling parameters. So let's set its width to 350 and give it the hint text, which is going to be please type your phone number. After doing that, add the heading of phone number and give it a comma. Let's reload it to see the result. And now this part is ready, only the last form is left. outside the row, I am going to have the last text form, and the heading is going to be message in quotes. The hint text is going to be please type your message. But for the width, we need to have the device width in order to create a responsive design. To get it, let's head over to the top, and under the height device variable, let me create another variable called width device. Give it a media query dot of context dot size dot width. Now inside the width, I'm going to provide a value of width device divided by 1.5. Since the messages of the people can be long, I am going to tap into the property max line and give it a value of 10. Let me reformat the code and restart the application. So here it is, and it looks great. We're done with the form part on this page.